Comment est? Comment est? Moins bien. Moins bien. Qui j'en est? Comment est? The two different ways of saying, how are you? Okay, I'm checking up on you because this is leçon neuf. And so I know it's getting a little more tricky for you. And what I want you to do is I want you to just relax. If there's something you feel like, oh my gosh, I just can't go forward, take a few steps back. Take your time. If you're going, these possessors are killing me, go back to the workbook and the videos and work on that. Too many vocabulary words, go back to CRAM, CRAM, that app, and look up Learn Haitian Creole with Gloria and do all of the study practice drills to memorize the vocabulary words. So don't make this more difficult on yourself. All of these tools, you can look back at the video called Tools, are here to help you be really successful with this program. Again, my daughter and I started this program because we wanted to help people to learn Creole, to respect Haitians. This wasn't about starting some sort of a business or writing a book or having fun making videos. All of that has been, it's been wonderful. It's been fun and exciting traveling. It's weird to say this, but all over the world, teaching Haitian Creole, a language that is only recognized in Haiti, going all over the world teaching it. But the idea is it's for you to learn it. So please take your time. Don't try to complete this on a specific timeline. Complete it as you go. Okay? So emphasizing possession. I do not want you to walk away from this video going, I am thoroughly confused. So I'm going to be my normal tedious. I am going to go I'm going to take my time with you. If you look at the workbook, it has a lot of instructions on the different ways of emphasizing possession. I am going to focus on not reading the workbook while speaking to you because you can read yourself. I am going to come with another approach so that I am complementing what's in the workbook and giving you more instructions. If you still have questions, go to Learn Haitian Creole and ask any questions you want. Just be very specific so that we can understand how to help. So the very first thing I want to tell you is you already know the first way to let someone know something belongs to someone. You can say it's for you. Pour ou. For me. Pour moi. For him, for her, for it. Pour lui. For them. Pour yo. For us. Pour nous. For you all. Pour nous. You know the other way, possession, possessor. You have known this since lesson 1. So don't feel like, I don't know. You know. But this lesson is about emphasizing. It's giving it a little punch. Okay? So I know that pa has been taught to you in a very negative way. Because it is. It's a negative word. It negates something. Pas manger, don't eat. Moi pas manger, I don't eat. But if it comes before a person, it means it's a possession. Okay? Pam, mine. Pas moi. Okay? Manger pas moi. Food, that's mine. That's all that it's doing. It is emphasizing. For example, if you have a handbag and it belongs to her, and you're asking me, who is this for? If you're asking me, who is this for, this is how you would ask. Pour qui moun sa ye? For what person that be? Répétez. Pour qui moun sa ye? I could say for her. Pour li. I could say her bag, valise li. I could say hers, pal. Now I could say pali, but I could say pal. Some people say, if I say pali, doesn't it mean not her? No, because you didn't ask me, who is that? Pali would be, it's not her, not her. You asked me, who is this for? Hers, pali. This is all about context. The same way with English. I'm going to church. I have 2 kids. I want some too. 2, 2, 2. 3 different ways of saying 2. This is very common in English. There are many, many words that are like this. So I don't, like hair, hear me, hair. There are so many words. So I want you to remember this is about emphasizing, and based on the conversation, the person will know what you're saying. Based on the conversation, you will know if the person's saying not me, pas moi, or pam, mine. Okay? So we contract the pas moi, pas ou, pas li. Pam, pow, pal. We don't tend to contract the pa nu and the pa yo. Northern Haiti, podepe, Cap Haitian, which is known as okap, we would say pan, panu, pan, but you don't have to. It's good for you to kute. If you kute pan, you learn that it means ours or you alls. It belongs to you, plural. So if I wanted to say, this is my child, ça c'est petit moi. That be child belonging to me. Ça c'est petit moi. But if I wanted to emphasize it, I can say ça c'est petit pam. That be child mine. You don't say that in English. We say it in Creole. Ça c'est petit pam. Or that child is for me. Petit ça pour moi. That child is for me. That is my child. Ça c'est petit moi. If I wanted to say, that's my friend. Ça c'est zami moi. If I want to emphasize that's my friend, I would say, ça c'est zami pam. I'm being emphatic. I'm giving 80% with the word pa before moi ou li nu yo. Okay? Now, how do I contract this? Pa moi becomes pam. Pa ou becomes pow. Like the Batman movies. Pow. Pa li becomes pal. Pa nu can be pan. Pa yo remains pa yo because pie is straw. Kai pie is house of straw. Kai pie. So we don't say pie. Okay. So that was to emphasize possession. Don't get too worked up about pa being negative. You don't have to do that. If you are someone, it's easy for you to get stressed out. You know more than anyone, right? If panic buttons are very quick on you, what I want you to do is don't worry about it till it's a problem. If you're having a hard time when someone's speaking, going, is that negative or whatever, read their body language. Read the 80%. Because if I'm saying not me, I'm shaking my head and I'm expressing myself. Pas moi. But if I'm saying mine, pam. That's how I'm saying it. Also, I want you to go ahead, like the video, download this because I do want you to watch it again. And then you're going to watch Emily's video on vocabulaire 8. After Emily's video on vocabulaire 8, we're going to go right into the future tense, pral. And I'm very excited about that.